What's up, YouTube? How you girls? Ooh, how you girls? How you guys doing, my soul squad? Guess what? On the menu today, it is a seafood grilled cheese. I never heard of it. Someone brought it to my attention. My daughter-in-law said, "Mom, can you make this garlic bread seafood grilled cheese? It's crab meat and shrimps and cheese and garlic bread and all this other stuff." Hey, I never did it before. This is my first time. This is your first time. So if you like what you see, guys, try it out. It may not be for everyone. I did try it. At the beginning, I was like, "Oh, this tastes good," but it has, I don't know, it's an acquired taste, but it's not bad. Will I order it out in a restaurant? I'm not sure. I'm saying let grilled cheese be grilled cheese, but if you want to know how I put it together, and if you want to try it in your home and let me know what you think, remember, everything I make may not be for everybody. It's my first time trying it. And I'm just going to be honest with you. It tastes okay. I'm and I'm like, oh, okay, this is good. It's good. But when you sit and think about it, I prefer regular grilled cheese, but you can't go wrong with a little bit different. So come on, let's go to my kitchen. Let's cook. Okay, so Scott, welcome to the kitchen. We are making garlic bread, shrimp, crab, grilled cheese. And I got the stove on, and I'm about to grab me some unsalted butter here, guys. Okay. And I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to do 2 sandwiches, maybe 3 sandwiches in here. But I'm using about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Yes, let that butter get, that pan was on for a second, making noise in the background.
Sorry, y'all.
Get that pan nice and buttery, because the next step I want to do, that pan is getting buttery because it's a garlic bread type flavor. Oh, the butter smells so good. Turn your stove down. If you know butter burn, I do not want my butter to burn. I'm going in with a couple teaspoons of garlic powder, and also some, come on, parsley flakes. Y'all know how I like my parsley flakes. I got the wrong end open. With some parsley flakes. This is easy. Again, I'm still trying to be light. Trying to do stuff light over here. Look at that. Look at that butter. Okay. I'm going to turn that off because I don't want my, I do not want my butter and garlic to get burnt. So, all this being said, guys, let me make that clear for you guys. I have some lump crab meat, not invitation, whatever, crab meat. And I had some already, I'm trying to do this focus, guys, already cooked shrimps. When it came with deveined, already already cooked with the tail off, okay? Or with the tail on. I took the tail off. I think I took the tail off. Look at that. So basically, I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. Cause my greases, the garlic and the butter smells so good. Now, I just had some regular white bread. We're gonna put together a couple of these sandwiches, guys. This is a quick, easy video. You know what I'm saying? Something that's different, that's light. So let's take the crab meat, sit to the side, and we're gonna take the shrimps. sit to the side. I'm gonna lay a piece of bread here, a piece of bread there. Okay? I got this, guys. And I'm gonna go in there. I'm going in with just some American cheese. I think at this point, the cheese is your preference. I want American cheese. It's just what I want. I think this makes the best grilled cheese sandwich. It really does. I'm doing 2 slices here. I'm going to have 3 slices. I'm not going to say, oh my God, all that cheese. Remember, we're not seasoning the meat at all. Not at all. And all these said, this is my first time making this. My daughter-in-law showed me this maybe a week ago on Instagram. She said, Mom, won't you make this? I said, what's that? She said, it's a grilled cheese, but with seafood, with some crab meat and shrimps. And I say, wow. So just take your crab meat as much as you want. You could use lump or you could use claw. I chose to use lump and just fill in the center. I chose lump because, shoot, it was a lot cheaper. And you could break it up. And this is a little, what is this? An 8 ounce. Like 15 bucks, guys. It's all about the cheese and the meat. Now, these shrimps are already cooked, deveined, and I'm going for 3 on each sandwich. And then, look at that. I'm about to turn my butter back on. Because I back on a 3, 2. I want that to sizzle. But not only we're going to top this, I'm most definitely going to add a piece of cheese. I don't even know if I'm making this right. It's my first time making it. Piece of cheese over there. But I'm giving it to you guys. Something different, something quick, something easy. The picture on IG looked good. And I was just informed that they made it use Texas toast. We got what we got. We got some regular bread in the house. That's what we got. Look at that. Let me know, guys. I'm still trying to work with this. Look. So, let's put this on the fire. My stove is on. The butter and garlic is smelling amazing. Let's make us some garlic bread, shrimp, crab, grilled cheese. Okay, guys. Look at this. The butter, the parsley flakes, and the garlic. I'm just going to let that get a little bit hot. I got it on. You guys can even do this last. Once you build your sandwich, just because you don't want that butter to burn, you can build your you can build your sandwich first. Then melt all your ingredients up together so that you can just make for sure it's nice, it's hot. I got it. Turn it up a little bit. It smells good. We haven't really done anything yet, and just those ingredients alone in the pan smell amazing. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Yes. I'm loving it. That's what I say. I'm loving it. What's that, McDonald's? Okay. So here we go. This is the first time for me. And I'm mashing it with my fingers, with my hand. And this is the first time for you. And we're making a grilled cheese. I have it like on 4 and a half. Remember, my family eating this. Don't worry about it. The hands is clean. I'm eating this actually. And we're going to make it. We're going to see what happens. I'm using American cheese. Use whatever cheese you like, you desire. You know? Look at that. Whatever cheese you like to use in your house. It smells so good. You know, grilled cheese take a second. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. The magic of the camera will come back. And you guys have some amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Try not to make any noise. I'm looking for a spatula, guys. Things I never. I got one. It's never where you need it to be. And you don't want to flip too early. I'm gonna mash down. Let's take a peek. Ooh, look at that garlic. And you could do like melt it all up in a bowl, taking a pastry brush and just doing the outside of the bread. You don't have to do it this way, the way I did it. Cause was he like a garlic bread? You dealing with seafood. It don't go good with seafood garlic bread. And it smelled great. And I think the American cheese melts better. But I'm thinking you could use like a Kobe Jack slices. You want some provolone cheese, don't melt too good to me. You want some Swiss. Yeah. Some cheddar. Can you imagine a cheddar cheese with this? Oh my goodness. I already had shrimps in the house, already had cheese in the house. I just had to get the crab meat. So I was like, this is a good time to make that video she wanted me to make. Look at that. And that cheese is melting. It's like at this point, you probably need like a panini press, but it's a grilled cheese. And how do you make grilled cheese? On the stove. And look at the butter and the garlic. It's gonna let that melt. Look at that. So it's gonna be a quick video. How many people I got in my house talking about, Mom, you gonna make me one? Mom, you gonna make me one? Am I gonna make the one? I don't know, so smart. I got the hiccups. But that look good. I gotta turn it down low. But I'm going to raise the temperature just a little because you want that cheese to melt. You want your meat to heat up. And we're going to be back when this is ready to plate to show you guys my garlic bread, shrimp, crab meat, cheese, grilled cheese. So guys, look at this. They came out good. Now, what I can say is that, look at that. You may have to, I'm putting them to the side. Since we're using pure butter, I think you could use some margarine. Turn the stove off, that is done. I'm thinking you probably have to change the grease because you see how the butter gets black. You don't want a burnt tasting, bitter tasting grilled cheese sandwich. So I know it may be some work. Oh, good. I dropped my butter. Get my butter. It's still in the pack. But I would change the grease. I would recommend after the first use, change the grease. Just because you don't want this burnt butter. But you can also use margarine and see what happens. So, guys, here is my grilled cheese. The house smelled good. They look so, oh, look at that. So amazing. Look at this. I'm trying to cut it real good for you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. With the shrimp hanging out. It's so blurry. Why is my camera blurry? I don't know what's going on. I'm using the autofocus. I think I got it this time, guys. I just don't know. Been doing this for weeks and still not getting good at it. But look at that. That grilled cheese, the cheesiness. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait until my next video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. I can't wait to eat this. This is my first time trying it. Oh, Soul Squad, I am out. Something quick and easy. Something to be all my love. Yeah. Let me just taste a bite. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm not mad. It's different. They call the cheese running out of there, guys. Look at the cheese running out of there. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Don't taste bad at all. Until my next video, guys. Once again, like, share, subscribe. I'm out.